Welcome back to Product Critique.
Today we're looking at what we believe is the best security bar for door inside use. The Keplrend Door Stoppers Security Bar. A 2-pack heavy-duty adjustable jammer designed to keep your home, apartment, or even hotel room safer. Let's start by laying out the basics. The Keplrend Security Bar is designed for one core purpose: to give you that extra line of defense between you and an unwanted entry. Whether you're in a house, a rental unit, or traveling and staying in a hotel, this product is all about one thing: peace of mind. If someone tries to break in, they're going to have a much harder time with this in place. And even better, the bottom of the bar is fitted with a large rubber pad. That's going to do two things: protect your floor from scratches and give the bar even more resistance against forced entry. Next up, installation. You don't need tools, drills, or screws. The design is meant for simplicity. All you need to do is adjust the length of the bar to match your doorknob height, place the rubberized foot firmly on the ground, and then apply some heel pressure to wedge it into place. In fact, you can set it up and take it down in seconds, perfect for anyone living in apartments or rentals. And if you're worried about fit, don't be. The bar is adjustable between 29 and 45 inches, making it compatible with most standard doors, sliding glass doors, and even some windows. That adjustability makes it super versatile. If you're in a house, you might use both on your front and back doors. If you're in a hotel, take one with you for the entry door. It folds down small enough to fit in your luggage. But here's where this product really wins: it's multifunctional. It's not just for hinged doors. It can also be used to secure sliding glass doors, something not all security bars can handle. You just adjust it horizontally, place it against the sliding track, and just like that, it's a lockout device. Whether it's your balcony, your patio, or even a basement entrance, this product has you covered. In terms of looks, it's modern and minimal. The glossy white finish blends well in most homes without standing out like an eyesore. It's functional security that doesn't scream "panic room." Now imagine you're asleep at night. Someone tries your front door. With this bar in place, you bought yourself time. Time to wake up, call for help, or take action. So, whether you're a homeowner looking to beef up protection, a student living alone, a frequent traveler who wants hotel room safety, or someone looking to reinforce doors while waiting for locksmith upgrades, this 2-pack of Keplrend security bars gives you flexibility and security, fast. That's our deep dive today on Product Critique. If you're looking for a dependable, easy-to-use, and highly rated solution for door reinforcement, we highly recommend checking this one out. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and see you in the next video.